Welcome to Switch It Up, and today so many of you have asked to see the inside of our 2024 spacecraft trailer. We thought we would do that for you today.
54 feet long. We are a little over, we were 45,270 pounds of dry weight, and we're running close to 47,500 pounds with everything that we have on it currently. It's being towed by a 2019 Mack Anthem with 500,000 miles on it. And as far as the truck goes, we'll cover that later in some additional videos, but for today, you want to see what the inside is like.
What we really want to do was make it feel like a home, and several pieces of that really help. Like when you first walk in, there's not this movement of the frame. The frame is sturdy.
Yes.
You feel like you're in, I feel like I'm in a home. There's just, you cannot feel people moving around and walking around in here, which I love. Another thing is the air conditioners. They're on right now because it is hot and humid outside, but it is so quiet that we can still have a normal conversation and you can't even hear those air conditioners moving. Definitely mini splits are a great bonus. But let's start from the beginning. Like if you walk in the door,
Yes.
one of the first things you want to be able to do is, I feel like you want to be able to kick your shoes off and have them out of the way.
Of course.
Right. You don't want to bring the
No.
outside in.
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not. Next is we need a landing spot for all the things.
Todd's stuff up here, all my pockets.
All Todd's pockets, sunglasses, keys, purses, jackets, umbrellas. Oh, up here. This is the compartment where all the slides
The
and
gizmos, gadgets, the Garmin.
oh, wake up. The Garmin, all the control features.
Things like
Absolutely. All that is up there. One of the things that I asked Spacecraft to do was to create these modern, more modern, contemporary looking doors for me, and they did a great job all throughout the trailer. They kind of go together. So beyond this door is our bedroom. Now, this is a pocket door, and on travel day, it's hooked by Velcro back there. So that will keep that from moving. We've not had any issues at all on travel day. When you walk into the bedroom space,
It's pretty big.
it feels very big, and that's because we went with opposing slides. So they're both sides of these slide out, so then we have this space here. You know, you're getting older, babe. I need you to be able to sit down and put your shoes on and your socks on without falling over.
So on travel days, we kind of either tuck those over there or up
they
on
go,
the bed.
they just move over here to the side. Great amount of space for storage, for dresser drawers. We have 8 drawers there. And then we went with a queen size bed, and there is storage underneath the bed. We went with a queen size because that's just one of Todd's non-negotiables.
It is.
It is. But we still have plenty of space to walk around on the sides of the bed. And we decided to go with, we have a split queen. And we did that because we want to be able to have a tilt bed. So Axel Bloom, this is the bed. They do RV mattresses, any size, and you want, but we went with, you can have head up, feet up, and that's just, I think, a great feature.
But it is a full split queen all the way down.
Yes, all the way down. But very comfortable. We really are enjoying that. Okay, another thing that I love in here is a simple fact that if you're sitting in bed and you want to watch TV, brings that ceiling mount, but then that allows, if you're not watching TV, you still have the nice view out the window, but that'll bring that down and we can watch some TV.
Which is awesome.
Not that we watch TV before we go to bed.
But if you're sick and you're not feeling good.
Not feeling well, you just need to hang out in here and relax for the day. And all right, come in here. This is our bathroom. We went with a single vessel sink. I know
Why?
a lot of people will say, oh, well, we need 2 sinks. You brush your teeth together at the same time. Well, for me, having this counter space for hair dryers, flat irons, makeup, getting ready in the morning, we just didn't want to give up that space. So this was a better use of space for us. Things that we put in here that I really enjoy is, I think it's hard to get all the way back into a cabinet, and we were able to install some sliders in here that allows you to be able to get to all that hard to reach stuff in the back. On this side, we have a full shower.
We sure do.
Yes, look.
So
it's so tall.
we had at the Tampa RV show, we had like tall dudes, 6'3", 6'4", standing in there. It was pretty funny. They were like, I can actually take a shower in here.
Look, Todd, it's a spider. This is our living space. We went with a love sack couch with this frame TV. Love the frame TV because A, it looks like a piece of art.
Yep.
And you can also put your family pictures and things, photos from your gallery on there. Just a great way to keep all your memories right there in front of you. And it's so stinking thin. I think it's just a great TV. We went with the fireplace there, and we put storage right behind here in the back. Little corner storage, books, all of our electrical components. We made a little desk area for this, basically his editing area.
Well, that's how you guys see the videos, right? This is where all the magic happens.
He sits. We found somebody in Canada that made this table. Nice, solid piece of maple and some black epoxy. A resin there. Oh, it turned out great. It's its own little art piece.
You could do it any colors too if you're looking.
Absolutely. This is the kitchen.
Now, how long? Because people are gonna like, this thing is ginormous.
Okay.
How long is this?
I'm 5 feet. It's about 7 foot. It's a 7 foot on, which gives me plenty of space to work and prep and lay out food and have people over and entertain. That's what I'm really looking forward to. Right below here, we were able to install a dish drawer.
Yep.
Yes. And then from there, kind of set this up in stages. So this is a prep station where I'm able to kind of rinse the produce, and we've got cutting options here, but I also really wanted to put a pull-out cutting board. This cutting board found at a farmer's market in Nashville.
I know, that was fun.
All the things in the trash. So that was a fun little marriage there of prep. But that was, in order to prep, we have to have the knives real close by. So put the knives right there on a drop down block.
The pantry. We always had pantry envy in our videos.
I did have pantry envy because we had such a small pantry, but now we have 4 pull-out drawers with all of the things.
My snacks.
We went with all residential appliances. Love our appliances. This is the Samsung. Love having the beverage center right here in the door. Why in the world do we need a ladder in the kitchen?
Bum-ba-da-da.
That's because the hatch to get up to the top deck happens to be right here in the kitchen area. That's an easy access panel.
And then head right on out.
Right out the door we go.
This is the cool part.
You can open this and they will fold completely open to really bring that outside in.
I mean, this is a great space.
Open that up. This half bath, again, macerator toilet. This was like, because this is sink, takes up so much space, we really are trying to figure out how to conserve space back here, but look at this water, a little faucet there with a little, I think that's cool. Amazing view. And these are the same doors, folding doors out as we have on the side patio there. We put in a TV, but let me show you what this room can transform into.
Magic.
Welcome to my office.
This is your office. This is where you do a majority of scheduling the huddles and all of our meetups and events, all that kind of fun stuff. Boo! Look at this!
Now we have transformed the space into a place where our grandkids or our kids or one of our team members can come over when we're doing an event, and they still have access to outside, a restroom, and a place to sleep.
With the people and friendships that you make along the way definitely is what it's all about. Thanks for tuning in, and with all that being said, Sheila,
I think we're out.